Hi guys, we're working on some RV projects today, getting ready for our trip to Hot Springs and Nashville and Memphis. So today is fix it to the point where we don't have to worry about it, fix it, and then we'll bring it in for some warranty work after our trip. So
things we're gonna add, some things we're gonna fix
it.
in.
I'm most excited about this thing right here.
Yes. So hopefully this stuff's pretty easy to install. I'll try and make some little clips of us installing it, and we'll leave a review link in the bottom so that you guys could check it out too. So first we're going to start with the door seal. First, clean it off real good. Load in some 100% silicone into your glue gun and lay a small bead across the top of the door. You can wipe away any excess silicone with your finger in a clean rag, then let it dry.
Storage unit done.
Not too bad. Next is the awning. A little bit bigger than that. Here's the difference between the two screws. There we go. Similar height, just a little bit bigger gauge. Alright, so that should do for that. 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on that side. Now it's time for the tire pressure monitor.
All right, let me just show you really quick what this Tymate tire pressure monitoring system with the 6 has. And then it has obviously a quick installation guide, wireless tire pressure monitoring system information. And then this is what it actually looks like. So that's what's going to go on the tires.
I'm going to put all of these sensors on the heaviest loaded tires. There we go. Just make sure we don't got no bubbles.
I'll pull it out and show you. And then so there's 6 of those. This will go in the car or the truck. And this is like a solar powered, but it also can rely on USB.
Cool thing is you charge it once, and then the solar panel on your dash keeps it charged. And they got little batteries, the valve here, and transmit to the hub here. Can't have a successful RV project without a nice cold beer.
Look who came to visit us.
Oh, our little helper. What have you been doing, Cassie?
I was gonna tell you, I should check the camera to see if Amelia was awake.
Oh, okay. I don't think so.
The camera's right here.
Gosh, it's hot.
Yo. Thumbs up. If you don't like this video,
No, don't thumbs down it.
yeah.
No. No, just always thumbs up, right?
Yeah, thumbs up. I hope you enjoy our video.
Next, we try and repair the damage that was caused from the 2 blowouts on both sides of the RV. We just don't want this wood underneath to rot, so if it rains or something like that, we need some sort of protection here. So we're going to Gorilla Tape it first, and then flex mend it after. Hey babe, let me help you out there.
Thank you. This tape is really thick. Now he's doing the flex mend, measuring it out.
I think about 4 strips like this should cover that patch. Alright, well, got it must have put on here. Looks pretty well protected. Double layer duct tape in this weatherproofing. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. I'm going inside. It's hot.
Looks like when we just bought it. Good work, babe.
So that concludes the episode of DIY RV fixes and the installation of our tire pressure monitor system. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get alerts when we have new videos.
What is that? Whoa!
On the next episode, Summer and Derek get the chance to break away and head through Hot Springs up to Nashville to get some hot chicken.
Well, actually, I did a hard time for 2 years before I came.
Hot chicken.
That's so spicy. Oh my god.